guys. So we have a new person with us today, Jimmy.
What's up, everyone?
And we're gonna try something different this time. Instead of the powder, he doesn't know how to put it up there, so I'm gonna put it up there for him. And he'll do it to himself, I guess, and I'll do it to myself. Okay, so I'm gonna start.
Start on him.
Yeah,
Fast.
he'll do it and I'll do it.
Yeah, so this is why we need like a camera guy, because this is where we need like the close up.
Yeah.
By the way, kids, do not try this shit at home, please. Please do not try this shit at home, kids. No. Nope.
Where'd that little sticky go?
Nope.
Oh, there it is.
Nope.
Try this one. This one's gonna work better.
You should know this is not the good side. This is the good side.
Oh, okay. Turn this way then, because I can't see shit.
It's like poking my fucking brain out. Like, wants to come out. Like right there, just wants to come out. My eyes are fucking watering right now.
This is priceless right now.
This is not gonna fucking end well for me.
Okay, let me try.
One, 1, 0.
That's so loud, fuck.
Shut up, Elmo.
I know.
Tickle me Elmo over there, you guys.
That's
1,
thank
2,
you.
0.
Sorry.
Thank you for sneezing all over my arm.
My nose hurts. Bless you. Fuck me. Hey, copycatter.
I know, what the fuck.
Shut up with your damn loud ass sneezes.
I know.
Louder than both of us.
So,
I don't know
4.
if it's gonna be tripping.
2. No, you have 3.
No, he
4.
has 4.
2.
He has 4, because he just did 2 right now.
And I did 2.
That's why I have 4, 2, 2.
This one you had 3 though.
Oh yeah, 3 actually. I feel like I poked my brain on that one.
You don't have to shove it all the way in there, jeez.
Right.
You just gotta
That's
find
where
a
I
little
feel it.
spot.
That's where my spot is. In my brain.
Bless
I feel like I'm poking my brain out. You're too loud.
I know.
Turn the volume down a little bit.
Is there a volume
No,
button
not,
on you?
not gonna do shit. I'm not gonna do shit.
Is there a volume button on you?
No.
So, 4. How many do you have? 4. Me?
What is that? 5? There's 5.
Please, guys, do not try this shit at home. If you really want to feel like what it's like to be sick with a runny fucking nose, do not try this.
I think I'm winning.
You got like paper towel or something? I'll probably just use that shit on myself. Shut up.
What are you gonna use that for? Oh, shove it up your nose? I win.
Yeah, this pro sneezer over here.
I think that's gonna. It's a sexy.
Wet. Not gonna work. My nose is too wet. I can't do this shit.
Need something hard. I know you like hard stuff up there.
I think you're at like 8 already. I still got 4.
I got stuck at 4 too.
Yay, I'm the winner.
My nose is clogged.
The pro right here, everyone. She knows where everybody's G spot is in their nose.
Bless you.
9.
I should stick to 10.
It's unregistered, but over 100 sneezes here. Bro at sneezing.
Yeah. You want me to go get the Aussie one?